The reggae music. It's reggae from Ghana. You started with nothing about reggae music for you. You like reggae music. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Waiting out for everything. I'm wasting my time. I follow it is good about me. You know when I know. You know when I know. Many people feeling reggae music. Reggae music. Oh, you feel it when I reggae. I wanna sing a reggae music. You feeling alright? Why do you feel it? You gonna tell your mama as the things gonna about you. You gonna find the truth in the truth will tell you. You wasting your time, everything on you. Wasting when it's time, everything's on you. Yeah, I get anything stuff my plans. I get more things. You feel me? See you. I say see you to me. You feeling me? I say see you. I say see you to me. Have many things to call my name. Why you call my name? Yeah, Raga Maza. Yeah, I'm wasting my time for you every day. You think about my food. I wanna protect you for my things. You think say I'm a fool. You feeling that things so you say to me. Everything you need you request me. I wanna do for you. I'm not a fool. I know the better things for you. I'm not a fool. I know the better things for you. Are you feeling alright? I say you feeling me. Say, yo. Go and request it for everything. It is going to you, to your mother. Go ask your mother. Your life begin from where? Go and cast, go record. Go and cast where to turn everything. They got everything for your family. Everything will come to you. Go and ask your mother. Oh, I know that you now wanna say to you, I'm ready to suffer. And the youth people, why you suffering? Everything's going about you. Beginning from home. You feeling alright. You feeling alright. Thinking about good. Thinking good for me. Feeling it. Call my name. Call my name. See you, yo. The reggae music.